What's up, everybody? Today we're talking about scissor traps and the easiest way to remove a mole once you've trapped it. Sometimes you might have anxiety or feel stressed once you see that your mole has triggered this trap and you're not quite sure what to do. So stick around because I'm going to show you 2 of the easiest ways to remove your mole from this trap. To solve your problem with method 1, it's going to involve a pair of gloves, a couple of 2x4s long enough to go over a 5-gallon bucket, and a 5-gallon bucket. Method 2 is going to require a pair of gloves and a shovel, and of course the scissor trap with the mole. We're going to go over method number 1 first, and that's going to be the bucket with the 2x4s. These scissor traps will kill your mole, so be aware of that. So to release the mole with the bucket method, we're just going to bring them right over here. Voila! Easy. Removing it with the shovel and only the scissor trap. You may need to bring it out a little bit to make sure that you have a mole on the end, but while it's in the ground, you just press on the trap to release it. Or you can push with your hand, whatever makes sense, but while it's in the ground, you just press and release the trap. Once you have the trap in the ground, just use a shovel to gently remove it. And then you can pluck the mole out of the ground with your shovel. That's just an easy way to do it without any other tools other than a shovel and the trap itself. So that's 2 easy ways to remove a mole after you've caught it in the scissor trap. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope that you now are not stressing every time that you've seen that mole trap pop up and you've caught a mole. This should reduce that anxiety and stress whenever you catch a mole. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and you'll be notified every time I do something. Have a good one, and I'll catch you on the next one.